Yes. 3.3 session 1. Apart from the devices talked to till now, there are various devices that can be used when in need. These devices are usually added to the computer when specialized requirements exist. For example, light pen. What is light pen? This is used to draw figures on the screen. Okay बच्चे, light pen is used to draw figures on the screen. You might have seen the use of light pen during cricket matches, used by the cricket commentators to describe field positions, etc. It is an input device. Next, plotter. What is the meaning of plotter? Plotter is used to draw precise pictures for use in engineering applications. The figures in plotters are drawn using pens. It is a vector graphic system, that is, it is not built using dots on the screen but the shapes are drawn using geometric shapes. Plotters are somewhat slower than printers and they are also expensive than printers. This is an output device. Okay, plotter is the output device. Next is the joystick. What is the meaning of joystick? This is also an input device. Joystick is usually used to play games on the computer. Next is speaker. Speaker. This is an output device. It produces sound output from the computer. It is a particularly when watching a movie or listening to a song on the computer. Next one is microphone. What is the meaning of microphone? This is an input device. It takes sound as input and may do anything with the second principle. In short, it is also known as a mic. Digitizing tablet with stylus. These are useful in online teaching scenarios or even during online discussions. To explain a point, it comes with the digitized board and a stylus. You write in the board using the stylus. It is an input device. Next one is scanner. What is the meaning of scanner? This is one of the more important input devices. Nowadays, it is used to get the digital version of a physical object. To hire, many companies often ask for scanned copies of photographs or PAN card. During license, it is the scanner that helps achieve the digital copy of the document. Next one is printer. This is also a very important output device. If you want the hard copy of a certain document, you have to look to the printer to provide you with that. There are all kinds of printers. There are dot matrix printers, thermal printers, daisy wheel printers, laser printers and inkjet printers. These all are the types of printer. Now exercise of 3.3. First, using what device do cricket commentators draw figures on the screen?